Karbi Anglong ari soi jang atum tami peer thelong ka paprang tunang thek nang klang bom tanglo lason si communication skill anathu kang thur ponji aphan pura akimi speak about sky mate SAS Company kangpu SAS Company CEO Kuntal Chakraborty penche patir pi ponsi bangso Karbi Anglong arlo loki charli amu maratum aphan radang lo chingki je than anathu ke paprang dun thek je aphan matha ponsi bangso SAS Company ingpu ponlo Karbi Anglong ahempi dipurong sopiarlo school ke do analong principal headmaster atumaphan chingki chingwai damsi loke charli ahin pen akaprek ahin anathu ke paching thur ponji aphan matha ponsi SAS Company ingpu ponlo ingdeng isi pen ingdeng trok anaphan group A ingdeng trok si pen ingdeng krehini ke charli atumaphan group E thak ponsi communication skill anat kapaprang ji aphan bor I ponlo labang solong loke charli bom amu maratum amen kache thabdun pen ke charli dunji aphansi pachini amen kache thabdun ji aphansi ka pharu ke thompusi pachini pon bangso SAS Company along.
Right? So the first motto of education is to create, is to make students aware so that they can create, right? Hetu bostu one eye. We have set a certain rule. Itya ki hoye so apna koe so what's the reality because there are some scene, right? 10th loke there is a hype. More dollar 10 to 1%, 12 loke at a hype ase, right? 12. Then after degree the students don't know what they are doing. Hekane ma kolu right example to dilu. People used to come first second in my group, they're still unemployed. So what does it say about our education system? And tetia eta notun kiba eta ulaise sobe eta competitive exams so prepare kore. Why don't we start creating on our own? What's the most powerful country in the world? USA. What's the most number one country when it comes to entrepreneurs and startups? USA. In India, which is the number one city? Bangalore. What's the number one city in according to startup? Bangalore. So this is what I'm trying to explain you. So the number of startups means more development, more people will come here, and Assam will able to not just get jobs to the students over here, but also give employment to the students from all across the northern parts.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.